Several years ago, a group of University of New Haven students envisioned a statue of a charger horse that would stand at the heart of the institution's main campus and symbolize the power, resilience, and enduring strength exemplified by all members of our university family. As a senior and president of the university's centennial graduating class, I could say firsthand that this is an incredibly special community. These unbreakable bonds are even more important now, as facing a global pandemic, we are learning to lean on each other. As you will see from the video, this statue truly captures what will help all of us to get through this together, the Charger spirit. I hope it lifts yours.